start getting ready since Mommy is asleep.
Okay.
Can you switch my laundry for me, babe?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so here's the completely wrapped Lancer Evo steering wheel. Let's start putting this guy back together. First order of business is we're going to take these steering wheel clips, we're going to pop them on, making sure that it doesn't push away the leather on the other side. So I kind of want to come in here. I think this is upside down. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this on in a way that fits clean. Actually, I have this little spade tool here, just in case the leather's not going the way I want it to. See right there, leather's trying to kind of butt out of here, so I'll use that to tuck it behind the clip. That clip's on, not sitting flat yet. Ah, I know why. It's upside down. Alright, make sure the clip is in the right orientation. Use this tool here just to keep the leather in the back tucking underneath the clip. And there it goes. Sits nice and flush. Alright, do the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, so gotta make sure that these are the correct orientation. I actually had to order an extra bottom clip, so I won't have that yet. There we go. Those are on. Then I put the back pieces on. Kind of just center it out. What the heck, man? Alright, that's that. That's that. Then take the backing. Actually, before we put the backing on, I'm going to do the airbag. It's a little screw that. So these airbags are held inside by these little screws. So let's drop it in. As you see, there's these little cutouts. Those have to sit inside the wheel. There's these two tiny little pins that even if I zoom in, you won't really be able to appreciate. So inside here, this teeny tiny little pin has to sit on that. Take this airbag, which I cleaned yesterday. Sit it down, sitting on the pins. Then with that, you gotta kind of come in through that hole right there and put the screw in to hold it in place. You will need, what size is this? Need a number 4mm Allen wrench in order to get that in. Once I have all this on, I'll take a brush and I'll really clean off that airbag. Alright, that's fixed right where it needs to be. And do the one on the other side and move on to the trim ring. Right, before I do the trim ring, I come around back and just really quickly drop the rear fascia on. Still don't have the bottom clip, but that's okay because you can install the bottom clip with this rear fascia in place. I'm not worried about that. Just held on with 4 Phillips head screws. Leave that one just a little loose. Huh. That's not fitting too cleanly. Looks like somebody may have stripped these screws in the past. That's no bueno. Alright, I guess the threads are such that they really only align to a specific hole. Let's try swapping out that one and this one. So maybe when you guys take one of these apart, you use a paint pen and number them. Make sure you put them back exactly where they came out of. Okay, I think the problem here is actually the threaded hole is chewed up. And this is like a weirdo screw thread. It's not a bolt per se, so it's not like I can just take a tap and clean it out, unless I tapped it out to a larger diameter. and use a different ball, but there we go. Took a little motivating, but I got it. Okay, that's that. Last thing I do is to put on the fascia ring or trim ring. Now, that trim ring has an orientation, right? There's these like little nubs here in the wheel, right? There's 3 of them, and they're here, here, and here. And they should align to these little cutouts here in the trim ring. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that the orientation is this way. Yep, they're aligned correctly, or so I think. Yep. I don't want to touch that ring too much. I'm afraid I might dirty it, so I'm going to push this tab in. Are the knobs aligned? Looks like I'm a little bit off alignment here. Alright, let's see if we can get this last clip to give in. There it goes. That was unnecessarily difficult, but I mean, you want it to hold stuff in place, so. Now I just gotta wait on this trim ring. There you have it. There is the completed and restored Lancer Evo VIII steering wheel. If you guys have enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I post up another one. I'm going to be continuing to do a lot of this automotive upholstery and restoration stuff. As you can see, I do quite a bit of it. If you have any feedback, feel free to leave that in the comments section or any questions. And as always, thank you guys for watching.